everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HackerRank account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.hackerrank.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the main homepage for HackerRank accounts. To log into your account, click on the login button appearing at the top right hand corner of the screen. Give it a click to open up the login area. Select your account type, whether you are using a HackerRank account for companies or developers. Select one of the options according to your account type and click on login. Make sure that you're clicked on this login tab and then enter your username or your email associated with HackerRank account. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password and follow through the reset process. If you'd like the system to remember you on this device, check this Remember Me box, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared computer. Finally, click on the Login button in order to log in and access your HackerRank account. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.